Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre for Wrexham. Incredibly proud to share with you today this lovely and incredibly rare Volkswagen Transporter Kombi, here in a Sportline 75th year edition and finished in this bespoke dark moss green paint. One of only 75 models produced, is incredibly rare and features IQ Light matrix adaptive headlights in the front, as well as these bespoke diamond cut alloy wheels around the side that will really finish off the look. Whilst in the rear, there are also these horizontal LED taillights that will make your Transporter stand out. Load area is absolutely cavernous, with also rubberized flooring, and there's plenty of storage space available throughout. But the real treat, however, is this leather upholstery with green piping to match the exterior paint, unlocking seating for 3 in the back with 2 ISOFIX anchor points. In the front, there are decorative door and dash inserts, as well as these upgraded front sport seats with armrests as well. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which also matches the green piping throughout. There's a digital cockpit on offer, as well as the center system offering permanent climate control functions with heated seats, heated steering wheel and even a heated windscreen. Loads of features available with the vehicle, with the likes of an adjustable sound system, as well as selectable drive modes to allow for year-round grip, whilst the various driver assistance functions will be on the road to offer permanent scanning as well, to make sure you and your occupants are protected at all times. For added connectivity, you'll certainly enjoy both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto projection, and helping you park is an area view camera offering visibility all round. Whatever the weather, easy to use climate control is on offer too. This has been a presentation of the approved, used and very rare Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Sportline 75 that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, contact our friendly sales team today.